Hello and welcome to this video. In today's video, we'll review the Michael Burry, whose fund asset management company is Scion Asset Management LLC. He has filed his quarter two the positions. As you can see, the filing date is 16th of August. So about that, and then reporting date is 6th, which is the quarter two of 2021. If I open this one, I'll get all his stocks and option positions, which is good for the learning to see what he has in his portfolio, excluding the cash positions, right? So I have already extracted this information. So the number of stocks, cash position, he has 11, and then the portfolio date, as you already know. So the number one position, what he is Discovery Inc., right? So it's not very great, but I think he's mostly the value investor, so he find those value investments. So it seems like his has 18% of his portfolio there. If I'm not wrong, I do see he's holding that since last quarter. There is some other company like Untitled Corp, CVS as well. He is 12%, Code Civic, Marinus, and so on, right? So feel free to check it out. So this is the total value of individual positions from 24 million to 18.8, 17.8, so on. And this shows the computed price, right? So number of value, total value, this individual value of the ticker divided by the share price, number of share outstanding, which gives this price. So it's a simple math, and then it gives the portfolio values. But that's one thing, but main thing is I also do see some options there. So first I go for a call options, and then we'll see the put options. So if I go to the call options, I can see he has the bet on Alphabet, Cardinal, CVS as well, and Facebook, Kraft, and so on, and even the Walmart. And it seems like he's making quite a good number of money. So if I go here and see, maybe let's see what's the Google stock price. You can see this is 2,800, and he is already making in the money of since $300. So that's pretty good, right? So the next one is, let's try some Facebook. I think Facebook is as well, he's making money. If I see the film, it didn't show, it's pretty bad. I thought they just shows 363. So wow, that's pretty good. He's quite bullish on Kraft as well, Heinz. So if I see the Heinz stock price is $36. So Kraft, Heinz, yeah. So he's not making much money. He's not making money there. It's 40 right now, and this corporate and Walmart. Let's try Walmart, and then you can check it out. So Walmart, I know the ticker is WMT. I like Walmart, so he is making money there as well. So that's good. It's always good whether on the cash and even on the options he's making money, except I think on the Kraft, which might have some, I don't know the expiry date on these, but that's what the information it shares. So okay, so that's this one, but the main thing is, which I want to highlight to you, is his put positions. So he short on the, so basically he's short. So he, on the put position, it implies that he has believed that the price of the Tesla stock is higher, and then if the price of the Tesla stock goes down, then he will buy. So then he make money. Otherwise, if it goes up, he will lose. So at the moment, I know that today the market Tesla price is 705. So let me show that. So it's a pretty big thing. 706, it jumps $26 today. So he is losing today on Tesla. And yeah, and not only that, but he's gone one step forward, and the ARK ETF innovation ETF ticker, he is even short that one. So he's just short that. So he seems like something is going on. So I'm not very actively follow Tesla, and I know it's overpriced, but this is the company which is the price always goes up and up. If I just see quickly the trend since years, so this year, I think if year to date it doesn't do much, it was 880, and then it comes down to 563, goes up. So it seems like bull and bear pressures on this, but still, and then it's pretty 644, and then it's moving, so it didn't go beyond 563. So that's what the price is. And ARK ETF, you can feel free to check. But now it makes me curious when I saw this, and I want to know which other big investors is also shorting or trimming its positions on Tesla, right? So what about the ARK ETFs? So that's a natural questions comes to me. So I do like to share that piece. So if I see that there are total, this is the institution position holders on the Tesla, and there are 868 institutions who is trimming the positions. And I got surprised that even the ARK investment management, they trimmed the positions on their 13F filing, which they have declared, and 6.018%, which the total value is 3 billion, right? 3.6 billion, which is in, because these are in thousands. That's a lot of money. So this means they take some money out from the table, keep in their pockets, because they trim these positions. And then the Bailey Guilford and Company. So he's the guy as well. He invested quite heavy on Tesla. As you can see, the number of shares held is 15.8 million, and 363 shares he trim it out, and which is the total value now, which is, of this position is 10.7. So anyway, so, and there's some other big bank, but this is the two things stand out. So now the question arises, as if I'll post this video for sure on the YouTube, and what the YouTube community, if you're watching this video, what do you think? Do you think Tesla is overpriced? Tesla is underpriced? What do you think? So please put in the comments, or are you, because each person has his own belief and opinion, and also do let us know that why you think that this will be. For sure, I know some people say this is a very good company for a long term. There's no doubt about it. But is it overpriced, or so? What do you think? If you can share that will be that'd be good. And do like the video as well, right? So more and more people, Google or YouTube algorithm will see, and more people will able to see this video, and more people will comment, so we know what the community think about this. Are they in line with the institutions or not? The next step is, then what I have done is I go one step forward and say, what's the collective institution thinking about Tesla? Are they more buying, or are they more selling from the 13F? What's happening to this ticker, right, or to this company? So when I see that the institution ownership on the Tesla is 14.1, which is, you can see the number of share outstanding and the total values of it. So the active positions right now is surpasses the decreased positions, right? So if you can see 1083 active positions in which is increased position in Tesla, and decreased position is 868. So that's the ratio you can see is over 1, right? If I divide by increase and to decrease. And the total institutions share, so this is the total institutions holder here as well. So this is the same 863 institution, and we have seen some of the big names there. So which, if I see from the total, from the share perspective, the number of increased position is increased. So that's why we have seen, might be one of the reason is that even if the big names are selling, but this is a little bit upward trending, right? It doesn't drop it, but who knows, right? In future. So yeah, so that's on this video. So let me know what you think about it, and and the next is who is also your favorite investor, right? Which funds you are tracking. For sure, Warren Buffett is my favorite, but any others which yours. So put in the comments, and then we'll see their portfolio, how their portfolio is doing. It's good to learn and share the knowledge, which I believe. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you soon in another video. Bye for now.